Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, I am going to do the rest of my home decor. And like I mentioned earlier, that I am changing out all my spring, summer home decor and recreating them for fall. So I do have this little can that I hauled from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. This was for spring, and I just took out all the decor I had inside, and I'm going to recreate it again with some sunflowers for you. So what you will need for this decor is one of the Dollar Tree cans, floral, I guess it's a garden can or a floral can, whatever you want to call it. You'll need some rope. I have two here because I'm not sure how much it's going to take. So I have two of the Dollar Tree rope, have the Dollar Tree foam, and I have the Walmart sunflower. And the reason why I decided to go with the Walmart, they're $3 and they are much bigger than the one the Dollar Tree have. So I think this is the best way to go. And I don't have to buy 2 or 3 to get the same amount. So I think this will work perfectly. You will need your scissors, your glue gun, and glue stick. So guys, I forgot to mention a few important things. You will need some moss. You can use the brown one because of fall, or you can use the green one. I'm gonna go ahead and use the green because that's what I have on hand right now. You'll need a little bow. I'm thinking I'm gonna add a bow to that, and I just went ahead and took the Dollar Tree ribbon and just create a little bow. I've shared that with you guys several times. It's very easy. And you'll definitely need your wire cutter because you will have to trim your flowers. So the moss is in, and I've trimmed my flowers. So the sunflowers. I want to go ahead and start on each end. So guys, this is it. Quick, easy, inexpensive, beautiful sunflower centerpiece. Now I want to go ahead and add that bow. Okay guys, so this next project is going to be a pumpkin. Now I saw a pumpkin in TJ Maxx and I thought how easy it would be to recreate that. So I picked up one of the orange pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and guys, I must tell you, literally it was a Dollar Tree pumpkin. It looks just like this pumpkin, identical, except it didn't have the stem. So what we want to do is go ahead and remove the stem, the tags, and cut out the center. Now this pumpkin, I've worked with it before. Last year I will link that video down below for you. It's absolutely gorgeous. I did a glittered one. So it's very hollow in the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut this out. All you need is a razor. And you don't want to dig too deep because like I said, it's very hollow. Once I cut it open, I'll show you what I mean. And we can move forward. So guys, all you will need for this project is the Dollar Tree foam pumpkin. You'll need a razor in order to cut the inside, the top of it out, like we just did. You'll need some moss. Can be the dry one or the green one. It's your choice, no worries. You need a piece of foam just so you can hold your succulents. Now, these succulents are a little less than $1, only because I hauled them last year from, either last year or the year before, I hauled them from Joann's and Michael's once they were on their 80% clearance. So they were really inexpensive. So keep your eyes out now because Joann's have all their clearances going right now as well from spring and summer. So once you have cut out your foam, you're gonna go ahead and insert Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. That is all there is to this fall pumpkin centerpiece. I'm gonna go ahead and place it somewhere so you can take a look at it. So guys, this is my last quick and easy DIY. so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.